All right, want to note real quick about this recipe for pancakes. I did a little something different with this. I used one soy milk. Um, the baking soda, I used potassium bicarbonate. Um, and I added 2 scoops of collagen peptides, trying to make a high protein pancake, and then a cup of blueberries, which I were frozen and I thawed out when I melted the butter. Basically, what I did was kind of like how it says combine here, but first I whipped the eggs and made sure to air. Big thing was I wanted to aerate the eggs real well with a blender with 2 whisk like blades, and got those so they started actually fluffing up and changed color a little bit. That was with the salt and eggs, and then I added milk. Then I added the butter and vanilla, and then I whisked that all into with a blender whisk, hand blender into the actually slowly by hand at first, so I didn't get the flour everywhere, and mix that all up, and then buttered pan, put on a high to melt the butter, and poured about a large, really large spoon full for each pancake. Waited till I saw a bubble or two, turned the heat down to medium, and then waited till the top was almost looked like it was. There's no more liquid. It was cooked all. I flipped it over, and good to go. But man, those are awesome. So really good recipe. Just wanted to know so I don't forget in the future. And if anybody else is interested, enjoy.